Welcome to the future. The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation multirole fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin in the United States. This fighter was designed as a replacement for older fighters such as the F-16 Fighting Falcon and the A-10 Thunderbolt II. The F-35 comes in three main models. F-35A base model designed for use on conventional runways. F-35B, the STOVL model, can take off from small airfields or even from the decks of ships. F-35C, air fleet model designed to operate from aircraft carriers. The F-35 has a number of advanced features that make it one of the most powerful and efficient fighters in the world. These features include AESA radar, active electronically scanned array radar that gives the F-35 a high-resolution image of its surroundings. Electronic warfare system, a system that gives the F-35 the ability to detect and counter enemy radar and missile threats. Optical electronic sensors, a set of sensors that give the F-35 night vision and target tracking capabilities. Powerful engine, an engine that gives the F-35 high speed and maneuverability. Stealth capability, the F-35 is partially invisible to enemy radar. The F-35 is still under development, but has already been ordered by several countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Israel, and Japan. Some of the advantages of the F-35 include power and efficiency. The F-35 is one of the most powerful and efficient fighters in the world. Versatility, the F-35 can be used for a wide variety of missions, including air superiority, close air support, and ground attack. Stealth capability, the F-35 is partially invisible to enemy radar. Situational awareness, the F-35 has a number of advanced sensors that give it a high-resolution picture of its surroundings. Some of the disadvantages of the F-35 are: cost. The F-35 is one of the most expensive fighters ever built. Program delays. The F-35 program has been plagued by delays and cost overruns. Security concerns. Some experts worry that the F-35 could be easily hacked by an adversary. The voice assistant for the F-35 jet was not specifically designed as part of its system. However, the F-35 has a number of features that could be considered co-pilots, such as warning and warning system, SAW. This system alerts the pilot of potential hazards such as enemy missiles or ground collisions. Tactical decision system, TDS. This system helps the pilot to choose the best route to complete his mission. Sensor integration system. This system collects and combines information from different sources such as radar, camera, and infrared and gives the pilot a comprehensive picture of his surroundings. These systems help the F-35 pilot maintain awareness and make the right decisions in complex and high-risk situations. In addition, the F-35 can communicate with other aircraft and control and command systems. This allows the pilot to share information with other members of his team and maintain coordination on the battlefield. While the F-35 does not have a voice assistant in the traditional sense, it does have a number of features that help the pilot maintain awareness, make sound decisions, and communicate effectively with others. As a fifth-generation multirole fighter, the F-35 Lightning II has many competitors around the world. Some of the most notable of them are 1. Sukhoi Su-57 Russia. This fifth-generation fighter is considered the main competitor to the F-35 and has similar features, including an AESA radar, powerful engines and stealth capabilities. The Su-57 first flew in 2010 and is still under development. Some experts believe the Su-57 is superior to the F-35 in terms of maneuverability and range, while others say the F-35 is more advanced in terms of radar and electronic warfare technology. 2. Chengdu J-20 China. The J-20 is the second operational fifth-generation fighter in the world and is considered a serious competitor to the F-35 and Su-57. This fighter first flew in 2011 and is still under development. The J-20 is similar in appearance to the F-35, but its exact specifications are not fully known. Some experts believe that the J-20 is not yet as advanced as the F-35 or Su-57, but it is improving rapidly. 3. Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe. The Typhoon is a 4.5 generation multirole fighter developed by a European consortium. This fighter has a proven history in combat and is used by several European countries. The Typhoon is constantly being upgraded and some experts believe it can compete with the F-35 in some areas. 4. Dassault Rafale, France. The Rafale is a 4.5 generation multirole fighter aircraft developed by France's Dassault. This fighter has a proven track record in combat and is used by several countries around the world. Rafale is known for its high maneuverability and electronic warfare capabilities. 5. India HAL Tejas, India. Tejas is a 4+ generation light multirole fighter developed by India. This fighter first flew in 2014 and is currently entering service with the Indian Air Force. The Tejas is seen as a cheaper alternative to Western fighters such as the F-35. Developing. In addition to these operational fighters, several other fifth-generation fighters are under development, including Sukhoi Su-75 Russia, Mitsubishi FX Japan, KF-21 Borame South Korea, TAITFX Turkey. These fighters represent continuous advancements in fighter technology, and the competition in this field will continue to be fierce in the coming years. Choosing which fighter is their best is a complex matter and depends on a variety of factors, including the specific mission, budget, and political preferences. Each of the fighters mentioned above has its own strengths and weaknesses, and each can be a valuable asset to a country's air force. F-35 Lightning II jet from a wide range of weapons including GAU 12-25mm gun. This 6-barreled gun located in the wing root of the aircraft can fire up to 4,200 rounds per minute. The GAU-12 is designed to destroy ground targets such as enemy vehicles and personnel. Air-to-air missiles. The F-35 can carry a wide range of air-to-air missiles, including AIM-120 AMRAAM. This medium-range air-to-air missile is designed to engage enemy fighters at long distances. AIM-9X Sidewinder. This short-range infrared missile is designed to engage enemy fighters at close range. IRIS-T. This short-range air-to-air missile is designed to engage enemy missiles and drones. Air-to-surface missiles. The F-35 can carry a wide range of air-to-surface missiles, including AGM-154 Joint Standoff Weapon, JSOW. This GPS-guided missile can engage ground targets from a long distance. GBU-38 JDAM. This laser-guided bomb can hit ground targets with high accuracy. SDB-2. This small guided bomb can hit ground targets in underground bunkers. Bombs. The F-35 can carry a wide range of bombs, including cluster bombs. These bombs spread clusters of smaller bombs over a large area. Incendiary bombs. These bombs are designed to cause fires in buildings and other structures. Cluster bombs. These bombs are designed to destroy mines and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The F-35 can also employ a wide range of laser-guided and unguided weapons. The choice of the specific weapon to use for a particular mission depends on various factors, including target type, target distance, and weather conditions. The F-35 Lightning II fighter jet was designed and built by an aerospace industry team led by Lockheed Martin in the United States. However, the development of this fighter has been an international effort involving industrial and government partners from around the world. The main partners in the F-35 program are Lockheed Martin, prime contractor, responsible for final assembly and integration of the aircraft. Northrop Grumman, responsible for the production of the main body, wings and tail of the aircraft. Pratt & Whitney, responsible for the production of F-135 engines. BAE Systems, responsible for the production of aircraft electronic systems. Mitsubishi Heavy, the main Japanese partner, responsible for the production of fuselage parts and final assembly of the F-35A for the Japanese Air Force. Leonardo SpA, major Italian partner, responsible for the production of fuselage sections and final assembly of the F-35B for the Italian Air Force. ROK Aerospace, South Korea's main partner, responsible for the production of fuselage sections and final assembly of the F-35A for the South Korean Air Force. In addition to these core partners, hundreds of other companies and organizations around the world have contributed to the development and production of the F-35. The F-35 program is a complex and international program that requires close cooperation and coordination between multiple partners. The success of this program has been due to the commitment and expertise of the companies and organizations involved in it. Overall, the F-35 is an advanced fighter with impressive capabilities. However, there are concerns about cost, program delays, and security.